If you are looking for the best drill bits for hardened steel, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. DEWALT DW1354 Drill Bit Set. No matter whether you're a DIYer or professional, these extremely strong and sharp titanium-coated drill bits are bound to impress you. The 3/4 shank work to decrease spinning in the chuck. These drill bits are made up of titanium instead of black oxide, which not only extends its lifespan but also is smooth to use on tough metal surfaces. Featuring round and hex shanks, it prevents the drill bits from slipping, giving a forceful impact to drilling holes quickly. When used with non-ferrous metals, it gives the best performance. Number 2. IRWIN 11119 Drill Bit Set. IRWIN Hansen brings you spiral extractors and drill bits having winding flutes. Promoting ease of use, it is designed to give you a soft and comfortable gripping power with its left-hand, spiral and twisted design. You can use these drill bits with any drill machine. The spiral flutes help you to tighten your grip over the machine as the friction mounts. The perfect starter set for extracting fasteners, this set contains 5 extractors and 5 drill bits. This drill bit set is designed to remove broken studs, bolts, and fittings. Number 3. COMOWARE Step Drill Bit Set. This COMOWARE compact drill set made with high-speed steel, dual-cutting blades and titanium-coated pointed bits is your everyday partner. Made to be durable and sharp, it reduces friction, as a result of which the machine doesn't get heated fast and you can work for longer hours without having to worry about the motor. Drill holder is also included to secure them after use. 118-degree split point and dual flute to avoid slipping or walking of the bits for smooth and mess-free drilling. Number 4. EFFICERE Shank Silver 8-Piece Drill Bit Set. IRWIN silver and Deming drill bits are useful for the applications that need drilling holes of larger diameter. To incorporate durability in these bits, premium Cobalt high-speed steel is used that gives them strength, producing a powerful impact on the material. Supporting its ergonomic design, 135-degree split point bits and self-centering quality helps you get your job done fast and aptly. Coated with gold titanium and double black nitride, they not only absorb the lubricant for a longer time, resulting in smooth and fatigue-free drilling. Number 5. Amoolo Cobalt Drill Bit Set. The product ensures easy functionality for all and a wide variety of usage, surely makes the drilling much easier for you. This product is made from M35 cobalt. The material used in its making is very strong and durable. Hence, the drills are strong enough to be used on most surfaces, and its resistance towards erosion makes it highly durable. It has a grounded spiral groove design which quickly removes particles when being used. And, the unique 135-degree slit tip increases the penetration. It has 13 differently sized drilling bits which result in a massive range of drilling options.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.